Yo. This is Boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. Welcome back again to another awesome video where I'm going to give you a new updated version of our Boom&Crash magic spike strategy, a special strategy dedicated to catching spike, and you'll make sure you have the best entry trigger using this awesome strategy. So let's dive in now. So I'm sorry I have been off for some times, just that I'm a bit busy, but I'm now full for you guys, and I'm going to give you this new updated version of this our awesome Boom&Crash magic spike strategy, where we catch spike and make sure we did the best in order to make sure we have everything you needed to catch spikes in Boom&Crash. So let's dive in now. So as you can see, we have made some few changes to the strategy. As you can see, we have made some few changes to the strategy. Let me add the other moving average apart from the 50. We may have some few changes. 200, yeah, that's great. That's the 200, but it's 221. So let me make it full 200. 200 moving average. Yeah, that's all. So here it is, and here we go. So before I dive into the strategy, let me give you 3 benefits of using this awesome Boom&Crash magic spike strategy. 3 benefits. So number 1 benefit is that this new updated Boom&Crash magic spike strategy is addressed based on price action. What I mean by it addressed based on price action, most of the fundamentals and technical put in place to work with it is solely on price action. It's solely on price action. So that is what you need to understand. Secondly, you need to understand this strategy is technically and fundamentally meant for catching spikes in Boom&Crash. You can use it to trade some other few things, but 100% trade assurance that I can give you is when you are using it to catch spikes. You can only use this strategy to catch spikes if you want to make a good and reasonable consistent money. You use this strategy to catch spikes. Number 3, make sure in your money management rule you use 1:3 RR, means you use 1:3 risk to reward in order for you to get what you want from the market. Make sure you use 1:3 risk to reward, which is the main risk to reward that is used potentially to trade this awesome Boom&Crash spike strategy. And you can catch spike with Boom&Crash 1000 and Crash 500 respectively. You can see. Either catch spikes or trend. So these are the 3 benefits of using this awesome strategy. And let me give you 2 things you need to do. 2 things you need to do before you start using this strategy. Just 2 things. Number 1, you need to make sure you understand and you know the meaning of price action. It's very, very important. Make sure you understand and you know the meaning of price action. That's 1. Number 2, you need to also understand how price action movement is with respect to market and trading condition. How these things coordinate together to make sure they give you a consistent result and an instant entry trigger that will give you serious money in this business. So right now, let me not waste time. Let me deeply move into the settings of the strategy. I'm going to give you the full settings, then at last I'm going to give you the full conditions of this awesome strategy. After the settings, I will give you conditions. So on the main chart, we have 3 moving average. Some few conditions for this awesome strategy. What are the main conditions? If you want to get this kind of result, what are the conditions you need to follow or obey in order to make this kind of profit you are seeing on my screen? Number one, you need to make sure you get your confirmations intact. What are your confirmations? You have only 2 confirmations from this market. Whenever you see this chart in the window indicator 1, all this alligator is heading upward, something like this. You can see the market come down, head upward, come down again, then the market start to push up for the last time. So just look at this last push of the market push. If you notice, the price also breaks above the 50 exponential moving average, the 21 exponential moving average, and also the 200 exponential moving average intact at this level. Whenever you get these cross confirmations from both here and here, you will just take your trades. Whenever you get this kind of confirmation, you don't need to do anything, just take your trades. If you get this strong confirmation, just take your buy trades. And you can use this strategy for scalpers. For scalpers, you can use 5 minute chart, 15 minute chart, 30 minute chart. Highest 30 minute chart for scalpers. For day traders, what I mean by day traders, those that trade within the day, you can use 1 hour chart, 4 hours chart, and you can use daily chart to see the bigger picture of the market in form of what we call top-down analysis. If you want to know more about what is the meaning of top-down analysis, kindly comment and ask me a question in this video, and I'm going to make a nice video for you on what is meant by top-down analysis and how you can be able to use top-down analysis to make consistent profit in your trading system. So that is that. So you see, this is currently trading in our favor, and you can see even using the high time frame, which is the daily chart, see how the prices breaks above this 50 and 21, and also here breaks above the 200 exponential moving average, which is to tell you that this market have a very long way to go in terms of price action. So that is that. So the second condition, make sure you look for an entry with at least 1:2 risk to reward RR. It should be 1:3, but I just reduce it for scalpers. 1:2 risk to reward. What is meant by that? Assuming you find an entry at this area. This is why you find your entry at this level. This is why you find your entry. So if you enter the market, make sure your profit target is ×2 of your stop loss. Let's assume your stop loss is here. Let me make this one red so that it will appear as a stop loss line. Yeah. So you see, this is the stop loss, this is the entry level, and this is your take profit. So this one is 1 and this one is 2. So make sure your risk to reward, you are always risking 1 pip in order to get 2 pip back. You risk 1 pip, you get 2 pips. You risk 1 pip, you get 2 pips. You risk 1 pip, you get 2 pips. That is one of the most valuable aspect of trading you need to understand. And the last condition that you need to have put in place for you to trade this awesome strategy, make sure you understand how to take your trades. How to take your trades. What I mean by that, make sure you know the best time frame for your trading system, you know the suitable time frame for this strategy, you know the suitable time frames you have been using to take trades. All these ones put in place together, that's what will give you the awesome conditions you need to make sure you have everything intact in order to trade this awesome boom and crash magic spike strategy, a strategy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the forex financial market. This strategy is still a premium strategy, so whoever wants to get access to it, kindly contact me or DM me on my support, and I will be able to give you the full updated version of this awesome strategy, which is the latest version for this week. What is today's date? Today's date is 19th of June 2023. So this is the awesome strategy that you need to catch spike consistently in the forex financial market. I also created what we call a spike detector robot. A spike detector robot. A spike detector robot. MGAI bot. MGAI bot. That is our new trading robot. MGAI bot is the new updated version of our bot, but in this case, we have used a lot of data in order to make sure the artificial intelligence built in this awesome EA can be able to trade for you without any fear, and it will trade for you without having any serious loss. So by God's grace, the next few 3 to 4 weeks, I'm going to highlight to you on how you can be able to use that particular trading bot, so that you can be able to have what you need to have in this awesome trading system. Nice to have you now, and see you in my next video, where I'm going to release you the newly AI bot that we are currently using now. Thanks and have a good day. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me or contact me directly on my WhatsApp or Telegram, where I will be able to answer those 3 things for you. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video. Bye.